Hey, do you have a product or service that you're selling and you're selling it online on social media through the DMs to cold audiences? If you answer yes, this video is for you. Hello, welcome to my channel. My channel is all about taking your life in business back, right, with the power of your pen. So I talk a lot about give you tips to help you stop sabotaging, get more productive, create strategy for your business and life, and how to get clients, which brings me to today's topic, selling in the DMs. Okay, so originally I was going to give y'all 3, but I think I'm going to give you a bonus. Yes, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Yep, a bonus. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe because I give a lot of valuable content on here. Anyway, so my first tip is before you DM somebody, I need you to inspect. Okay, be nosy. Find out more about them. Okay. This actually goes with this is number 1. You're going to get nosy. Be nosy. Find out the who, what, where, and how, whatever they're doing. For example, if you are selling a coaching program or a mentorship program, what you want to do is you want to look and see what products and services this company or this business owner is selling. Hello, because it's a cold audience, you don't know them. And people want to feel like you've invested something already in them and that you're really out to help them reach their goals. Okay, because your goal is impact. Yes, you want to make sales, but in order for you to make an impact with everything you do, you have to what? Get nosy. Okay, so number 2, the reason why you want to get nosy is because it helps you qualify your audience, right? It qualifies them because the goal is to get leads, right? Because leads convert into customers, right? You want to qualify these people. You want to begin when you're talking to them, because when you're talking to them, you'll have pieces to talk about because you took time to be nosy, okay, to find out more about them through the content that they were posting. Number 2, it'll help you it also helps you to qualify them. If you're looking at their content and they don't qualify, don't push them to qualify, just keep it moving, okay? Because some people actually follow you and comment on your post just to support you. They're not interested in buying your product or service, right? That's why it's important to, number 1, be nosy. Number 2, qualify the audience before you go out and DM. Number 3 is you want to build a real relationship with them, right? You don't want to be salesy. You don't want to be fake, because this could be a potential customer, because a no today could be a yes tomorrow, because you took interest and you kept reaching out and you kept trying to help them build whatever they're trying to build. So you want to build a real relationship. And that leads me to your bonus, which is number 4, is you want to start out positive and you want to end positive. Sometimes when people DM, and I've had tons of DMs where people will say, oh, do you do this? And that is not something that I offer, which lets me to know that they did not do their research. They just pulled one thing, okay, and just assume that's what I did. They did not do their research. Part of being a nosy, that's your research, right? They didn't do their research. They did not qualify me to see if I would even be a lead. Okay, they did not ask the right questions. So when the conversation took place, this one particular thing, sometimes they'll say, oh, you got great content. You know, they may comment on one post, right? Because they only looked at one post. But so they really weren't building a real relationship. And especially when you have a program that you want to charge people in the thousands, you should take the time to really build a real relationship with these, because relationships keep people buying from you. It keeps people coming back and supporting you. This is how you gain loyal customers. So you want to stay positive and continue to be positive. And the reason why I say continue to be in a positive, you may get a no today, or you may say, oh, I'm not ready to reveal that. Part of, if you are doing B2B business, understand you have to treat their business just like if you were reaching out to Apple to inquire about working with them. You would not ask them, hey, what are your goals for your business? And expect them to outline every goal that they have for the first quarter of year, right? But if you did the research, you would know larger businesses actually post information about what they're doing and where they're going, because they're a public entity, right? Because they're a corporation. So that's why it's important to get nosy or do your research, qualify your audience, which is number 2, build real relationships, and number 4, which is your bonus, start out positive and stay positive. Listen, if you have not subscribed, I don't know what's going on with you, honey, because I just dropped several bombs that'll help you get your clients. And speaking of clients, I am doing a free masterclass. It's secrets to gaining your next clients, where I even give you even more tips. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab your seat. I will post that below, and also at the end of the video I will give you more information about secrets to gaining your next 10 clients masterclass. You don't want to miss this valuable information I'm giving totally free.